Hello there, this is Madhumita. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say a big thank you for all your love and support. Your each and every likes and comments motivate me a lot to create more contents. Thank you. On today's video, I am creating a Valentine's Day special makeup. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. For eyeshadow, today I am using Beauty Glaze Color Board Eyeshadow Palette 60 colors. And first taking this color, I am applying on my crease area and blending it nicely. Then taking this color and applying on crease line and again blending it nicely. Now I am taking this color and again applying on crease line. Then I am also applying it on inner part and outer part of my eyelid. Then taking a black eyeshadow, I am applying on the crease line. And again applying it on outer part and inner part of eyelid. Now again I am going with this color and applying on crease area and blending everything nicely. Then I am highlighting my brow bone using this shimmer color. Now I am applying concealer just on the center of my eyelid, then using a brush spreading it properly. Then using this color blending the edges of both sides. Then applying black eyeshadow on it. Now I am applying the shimmer color on the center of my eyelid. Then applying this rose pink shimmer color on it. Then to prime my face, I am using Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer and applying all over my face. Now for foundation, I am using NYX Professional Makeup Total Control Draw Foundation Beige and applying on my face. Then using a damp beauty blender, blending this all. Now for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Medium and applying under my eyes, bridge of my nose, on forehead, on chin, around lips and around nose. Then again blending this all. Now setting this all using Maybelline New York Fit Me Powder Porcelain. Then again taking this color, I am applying on my lower lash line. Then applying black eyeshadow on it. Now I am tightlining my waterline using a dark red eye pencil. Then highlighting my inner corner using this shimmer color. Then applying Maybelline New York Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara on my lashes. Now to contour my face, I am using NYX Professional Makeup Matte Body Bronzer Deep Tan and applying on cheekbone, on hairline and on nose. Then for blush, I am using this color and applying on cheeks, and on nose. After that, I am highlighting my face using this color and applying on cheeks, on chin, on nose tip, on bridge of my nose and on forehead. Then for lips, I am using a maroon lip liner and lining my lips. Then filling my lips using the same color. final look. A simple glam look for Valentine's Day. Please let me know how is this look by commenting down. And make sure you like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you on next video. Till then stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.